Hi there! Thanks for joining us today. On this video, we will learn a bit of history about Tsokolate de Batirol, how it came to the Philippines and how easy it is to make and why you don't have to wait until Christmas for you to enjoy it. Cacao's scientific name, Theobroma cacao, means food for the gods. Tsokolate, made the old-fashioned way directly from cacao beans, has a deeper, darker brown color, distinct and wonderful aroma, and all the intrinsic natural taste and goodness coming from having all its cacao butter intact. Through the Manila-Acapulco galleon trade, cacao was first brought in 1670 from Mexico, and the Philippines became the first country in Asia to grow cacao. Under the Spanish colonial rule between 1565 to 1898, drinking chocolate was a means of time with friends and family to end the day. Like how we drink coffee nowadays, it is said that the elite residents of Intramuros could not start the day right without their desayuno or chocolate in bed upon waking up. The story of Antonio Pueyo chocolates has its beginning in the historical Intramuros, the old walled city of Manila in the early part of the 20th century. Its founder was Jose Maria Pueyo, a 17-year-old Spanish teen who immigrated to the Philippines with the knowledge of chocolate manufacturing, which he learned from his Spanish godfather, who was also a friar. In post-colonial Intramuros, Mr. Pueyo quickly built a reputation for having the highest quality natural chocolate drink manufactured locally from the finest grade of cacao. Nowadays, most of its cacao beans are produced from Davao, Philippines.